Follow these steps to fix Facebook Newsfeed not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, clear cache for the Facebook app. So close this. Launch your Facebook app. Now navigate to the menu page. Click on the settings icon given at the top. Now head over to the option browser. Click on the option clear for cookies and cache. Click on clear. Likewise, open your settings app. Now navigate to the option general. Click on the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. From the list of the apps, find Facebook. Open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Likewise, launch your app store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is launch your Facebook app. Log out of your Facebook account and log in back. For that, head over to the menu page, scroll down, click on Logout, click on Logout. Again, click on Login, provide your credentials and log into your account. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Facebook app from your device. For that, press and hold on the device. Click on the option Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then, launch your app store, search for the app Facebook and install it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Your Facebook newsfeed should work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.